Okay, Daisy, let's see what it is. You're okay. Oh, look. Cool, it's here. Alright, let's open this thing up. I love this. The other planes are going to be jealous. Look, that's nice. Comes in its own cover. Very nice. Oh, there's some more goodies. That's nice. Keep that beer cold. And some literature. Business card. And how to care for the BladeSox. Very nice, very nice. And some examples. Okay, let's take a look. These were made special for me and for anybody who wants to get their own propeller sock. Oh, nice. Look at that. Very cool. The logo at the end. And remove before flight. Very nice. Now I need to put it on the Sky Chicken.